afternoon everyone. I am SIRISHA from Cyber Security Courses. So today I am going to teach about the relation between or the linkage between maths, Python and machine learning, cyber, how they are connected to each other. First maths we use in our daily life like known as a calculations as like for a money purposes or else for an attendance purposes we are included with the maths. And next Python. Python is a programming language which was understandable to the machines or to the laptops. And as we are the humans, we only know the high-level language. Python will help us to understand to the laptops or any other devices. So machine learning and how Python is connected to the machine learning. Machine learning in the sense like for example if we take as washing machine as an example, we'll write an program for that and we'll give an instructions as washing machine is a machine learning and Python was included in that. So these are the connections between the Python and the machine learning and how these three are connected to the cyber. So these three are connected to the cyber because for example if we take attendance portal as an example, the persons may be come under and they may be hide the details and they may be misuse the details. On whether we check the vulnerabilities and the tasks which were participated in that, and in this way cyber is included in maths, Python and machine learning. These three are linked to the cyber. So thank you.